The process of creating this started off with Frame coming to us with a design of a trophy. So we looked at the design and we found out that the 3D printing from recycled plastics was the best way to produce these awards. My name is Bart Bleijerveld and I'm one of the co-founders of Better Future Factory. So we at Better Future Factory work on projects that are always related to plastic recycling. The Frame ethos about sustainability and holistic design is really something that fits Better Future Factory. Sustainability is like in our DNA. That's what we work for all day. For this trophy we used a material that's made from PET bottles. It's a PET material, that's a kind of plastic. And what we do actually, we have these bottles, we shred them, we melt it into a sort of plastic wire. And this little plastic wire, which is called 3D printing filament, we feed it into a 3D printer. The method that we use, it uses little layers, melting a little layer on top of each other. So we really had to find a way that we could still get close to the initial design of Frame, but at the same time have it printable, 3D printable, so to say.